Scott and Renata, it's much quieter out here now than it's been all week. People actually lined up since last Thursday in order to get a seat inside the Supreme Court. Now let me tell you a little bit about this case. The Defense of Marriage Act, or DOMA, was passed by Congress and signed into law by President Bill Clinton in 1996. It defines marriage as a union between a man and a woman on the federal level. The case before the court today is called United States v. Windsor. Windsor is Edith Windsor from New York, who married her partner of 40 years in Canada back in 2007. A few years later, her partner died and left Windsor her estate. But Windsor was left a six-figure estate tax, much larger than a heterosexual couple would have to pay. Experts say the justices appear divided along ideological lines, and the court is leaning towards ruling DOMA unconstitutional, but we really don't know for sure at this point. New York's Democratic senators have been pushing to get DOMA overturned. Senator Kirsten Gillibrand posted on Twitter today, "I sincerely hope SCOTUS will find DOMA unconstitutional so we can put this discriminatory law into the dustbin of history where it belongs." But here's something interesting about this case. Because the Obama administration opposes DOMA, the Justice Department is not defending the case. Instead, lawyers representing Republicans in the House of Representatives are. And that, in and of itself, could have an impact on the court's decision. They can say the House GOP doesn't have the right to defend the case. Some lawmakers, like Northern Tier Congressman Glenn Thompson, are angry the administration isn't enforcing DOMA.
That's what President Obama has done. He has instructed his Justice Department to ignore the law, and that's a problem. I support the Defense of Marriage Act. I'll be anxious to see what the Supreme Court says. My hope is they uphold it.
New York has gone through its state determination, and I've been a strong supporter of state rights and the 10th Amendment. The federal issue that we're wrestling with as we speak is how do you recognize the state action along those lines, and on the federal level respect what the state have done.
And we should learn more about that when the Supreme Court makes its ruling sometime in June. In Washington, Ted Fioraliso, WENY HD News.